9:30, I go to the door today. Every door have crane. Door, the crane is very important part in Ireland. They are the quickly crane for 2 days. Hello. Oh, hello. I'm gonna feel now with it. They are quite a dog. You get the crane will in Ireland. The crane, they are crane. But they know a new crane. So one day, roll a crane. Always roll with a new engine. Roll the crane. I roll it. Now the train, now the engine, now the engine will hook. Oh, today we have new engine today. New engine today. What new engine today? In Harvey and let me know why he had play because he hurdled every time you got so Harvey will be able to tell. What? Well, what? They got a crane. Yeah. The engine will crane. We know the engine will hook before. Yeah. Go to AJ, behave yourself. Yes, Dawn. Hi, God. My name is Harvey. Who are you? I Tommy. I Putty. And they go to AJ. Go to AJ not night that time. That time they'll be a fish. Oh, the come on. Okay. Wait till that night. Tommy will go 3 before he go 3. He told he feel I got shit about Harvey. He was too old for his back. Yeah, he paid what is stupid. He can't carry the mail or can't be my boss. Yeah, even I have to agree with Gordon and Jane. Yeah, me too. Because Harvey was different. Yeah, even I have to agree with Gordon and Jane. Tell me about doggy for Harvey, though. Tell me that. Harvey, don't worry. Maybe tomorrow, that time, it takes time to meet new friend. I was like, it make time to make new friend. Even for the first time I carried you away, my friend was Delfish, more than. Don't worry, you sure. You do hopefully tomorrow they will show. They tell me you are bad. Harvey only made a new friend, Tommy. That day at 11 o'clock 8 a.m. Putty's amazing. Maybe they, hi Putty, are we okay? Everything okay? Yeah, about Harvey. He different. Oh, do we have new I so we go. Yeah. What? Yeah. Putty. Not tidy. You new day. You know. Put gotta they tied to new day. You know. Probably did it every day. So he said. He's a wit away. He's a wit. Wit. Puppy climbing out the water hill. Oh. Until he got to the top, the trouble truck of buried the trick. Okay, all ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Hey, what are you doing? I'm gonna come back. Oh no! They gonna hit. Oh, wait a minute. goodness! Oh no! No! Oh my goodness! Come on, gotta fight that. Got the car walking. So, put the tribal car for help. At work while walking. They are walking. Oh, I go to walk to the problem. Can you figure that? Oh my goodness. I don't know. I have fit man. I thought we fit everything. Yeah, pretty right. I can do everything, but not the big man. I can tell you everything by myself. I need another play. But I will play. They did it. They did no, Tommy. They didn't know Tommy what watching them. And they give me I do already follow. And maybe Harvey should have walkie. So Tommy, put it for Harvey. So he told Harvey. And Tommy said, Harvey. They'll be out there. Walking up and trying to clean up. But he didn't know how. Okay, I will show now show what to do. Hello guys, what do the problem? Oh my goodness. Guys, I give it a try. Well, Harvey how? Maybe you can do, okay. Ooh. What the? They are engine? Harvey, you can clear anything? Oh yeah. He will train. Put the apple water pie. Then Tommy came to have aboard him. Harvey, I what we did today. Dog really so good. You are really you for Angie or Anquay. Yeah. Yeah. We know what about you. Yeah. I told Harvey something today we better make friend. Yeah, Harvey, till we get home, the AJ will have something to say to you till we get to this shit. Okay. And Shad, the back has dying speech. Okay, and everybody, I been hard about you, but about what the thing you gotta be thinking Harvey. Harvey made me different, but that me damn. You got Harvey apology. Yeah, I think you're right. We thought of Harvey. Yeah, you cool. Yeah. You walk. Yeah, thank you, Harvey. Go to AJ. Oh. Yeah, we sorry, Harvey. Yeah, we sorry. If we know we're different, darling, if we know we're different, you do it useful. Yeah, Harvey. Yeah, Harvey. I can told, friend, take time. I got you right. Harvey, you're officially memento or part of my normal railway. They used to me. Walk to a railway. So, Harvey, see what happened. You walk on one railway Eddie. Oh God, I'm Harvey. day. Thanks for watching the episode of Tommy and Friends. If you want to see more Tommy and Friends episode, subscribe to our channel and you are we comment down below. You want to see more Tommy and Friends episode, comment, subscribe to our channel. You comment down below. Thank you for more Tommy and Friends. Bye to our show. And you'll see this Tommy and Friends show. And don't forget to rewrite and five. Yeah. To do all things by now.